TradingView is an easy-to-use platform that helps you track stocks, charts, and trends in real time. You can follow expert traders, share ideas, and analyze the market all in one place. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your trading, it's a great tool to help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it's free to get started. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use TradingView Complete Guide for Beginners. The first step that you have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into TradingView.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So first, let's know what is TradingView. TradingView is a user-friendly platform where you can track stocks, view live charts, and analyze market trends. It's perfect for beginners and experienced as well. Traders alike, offering tools to make smarter trading decisions, plus it's free to start using. All I have to do right now is just click over here in the top right of get started. Then you'll find the page which is this one. You have just to click over sign up. But before, let's know firstly these packages, because about this one you have just to visit or join this platform and know how it works and for free, but you can't trade it. So if you want to trade it, you have just to select one of this package. You have three packages as you can see. We have the Essential one, Plus one, and the Premium one. Let's discover them one by one. About the first one, which is Essential, you have to pay $13 per month. And here we have various things that you have to know about this one. First, we have to try free for 13 days. But the issue here, you have to link your personal information like your card number after clicking over here, and it's for free. Then after that, you have to pay. Then we have also about the features. If you want here 2 shots, we have here 2 shots per tab, 5 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, 20 price alerts, 20 technical alerts, 10 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, and indicators on indicators. Then the second one, so by the way, this one it's not professional. If you want to select the pro one, you click over here on the you get started and you choose one of this. Then you have the plus one, as you can see. You have to pay $25 per month, and here you really have to pay $3,000 or $300 per year. Then we have also a try for free for 13 days. And about the features, we have here 4 charts per tab, 10 indicators per chart, 10,000 historical bars, and we have here 100 price alerts, 100 technical alerts, and we have 20 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range pairs, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators, chart data export, and also we have here other things such as a chart based on custom formulas. About the last one, you have to pay $50 per month, or you have to pay $600 per year, and it's for free for 13 days. And also about the features, you'll find here 8 charts per tab, 25 indicators per chart, 20,000 historical bars, 400 price alerts, 400 technical alerts, 50 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators, chart data export. Then we have charts based on custom formulas, time price opportunities. Then we have here volume footprint, auto chart patterns, second base alerts, alerts that don't expire, publishing invite only scripts, second based intervals as well. So about also here we have the professional package. You have to select here if you want expert or ultimate, but it's too cheap. It's too expensive. About the first one, you have to pay $200 per month, or you have to pay $2,400 per year. And also about the ultimate, you have to pay $500 per month, or you have to pay $6,000 per year. About this one, you have just to start now. We don't have here try for free for 13 days, but about the features, we have here 10 charts per tab, 30 indicators per chart, 25,000 historical bars, 600 price alerts, 600 technical alerts, 80 parallel chart connections, no ads, volume profile, custom time frames, custom range bars, multiple watch lists, bar replay, indicators on indicators, chart data export, and all these things as you can see. But the thing that we have here, which is 16 charts per tab, and about here we have 50 indicators. About this one we have all the 30, and we have here 40,000 in historical bars. So we have just to choose the one you want, and you get started with this one. Right now we'll just click over sign up, and I will choose, for example, if I want here the first option, which is Google or Facebook. We have also Twitter, Yahoo. Then we have also here the option of sign in with Apple, or here LinkedIn as well. Or you can sell here email, and you have just to add your email address, your password, then you confirm that you are not a robot, and you click over create an account. So that's it for this one right now. And I will just click over sign up, then I will select the option of sign in because I already have an account. I will use the option of Google because it's very easy. I will just click over my email, and I will get started. They will find my page. As you can see here, I have my account. As you can see right now, I will just click over here to come back to the home page, and then I will just select firstly here the option that of the white theme because I don't like the dark theme. I will select here the white theme. I will just make it switch off. Then we have here, I will click over products firstly. I will select the super charts, and also we have here various things that you have to know about this one. For example, if we come back here to the home page, we have here various things. For example, get desktop application, keyboard shortcuts, language, drawing panels, start theme. If you want to also hear what's new, notifications, help center, home, and other things. Also, we have here in the top, for example, here compare or add symbol. Then we have also for the 1 day, calendars, and other things. So we will discover all these things. So once you sign up for TradingView, you can start by exploring the main dashboard where you will see a variety of charts and stock tickers. Simply, you have to search for a stock or asset in the search bar, and the chart for that asset will appear. You can customize the chart with different indicators, time frames, and drawing tools to analyze trends. You can also here follow other traders, join discussions, and even share your own insights. It's all super intuitive and great for both beginners and pro, right? So right now let's just discover all these things that we have in this homepage. For example, we have also here candles, we have indicators, metrics and strategies, then we have here indicators templates, quick alert, then we have back replay for the window, then we have here to publish if we want. And also we have here other things. For example, take a snapshot, full screen, and to get started you have just to select here if it's gonna be improved or it's gonna be here dominate, and you have just to select if you want to buy market or sell market as well. So also we have in the left, for example, here the option of trend line, Fibber retracement. We have here pattern, long position, brush, text, icon, then we have a major, zoom in, magnet, then we have here stay in drawing mode, look all drawing, then we have here hide all drawings, then we have also here the option of remove object as well. Right, so we have it right now. We have just to get started as soon as possible. It's very easy to do that. You have just various options that in this platform you have just to get it started as soon as possible. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.